Discord is a free VoIP application that's popular among the gaming community. On a Windows PC, you can use the web app or dedicated app to do voice chats or send text messages to your video game teammates, thus creating a lively game community. While this is quite a stable platform, there are some issues that you might experience with it. There are several factors that can cause Discord to freeze, ranging from a hardware issue to a software issue. In this latest video of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle ways on how to fix Discord keeps freezing. How to fix Discord keeps freezing. Before doing the recommended troubleshooting steps for this particular problem, it's best to refresh the Windows 10 operating system by restarting your computer. Surprisingly, this simple step can fix most of the issues that you might encounter with your computer. First, try turning off hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration works by taking advantage of the other components of your computer to do specific tasks. While this case improves your computing performance, there are instances when it can cause certain issues to occur. To check if this is what's causing the problem, you should try to disable this setting. To do this, first open Discord app. Then, click on the user settings, an icon that looks like a gear located at the lower left corner. Next, select Appearance tab from the left panel. Then, scroll down in the right pane and you should be able to see the hardware acceleration. It should be under the Advanced section. Next, toggle off hardware acceleration. Then, click OK. This will reboot the Discord app. Then, check if the Discord keeps freezing issue still occurs. Then, try running Discord in compatibility mode. Sometimes the problem can be caused by compatibility issues with your Windows operating system. To check if this is the case, you should run Discord in compatibility mode. First, close the Discord app. Then, locate and right-click the Discord app icon on your desktop. Then, select Properties. Next, at the Properties section, click the Compatibility tab. Then, check the option Run this program in compatibility mode for. Next, select Windows 8 from the drop-down list. Then, click Apply, then select OK. After running Discord in compatibility mode, check if the Discord keeps freezing issue still occurs. Lastly, delete key bindings. If you have set up key bindings with Discord, then this might be what's causing the problem. To fix this, you will have to delete the key bindings. To do this, first open Discord app. Then, click on the user settings, an icon that looks like a gear located at the lower left corner. Next, select keybinds from the left panel. Then, hover your mouse over to that list of keybinds and you should be able to see a red cross on the top right corner of each keybind. Click the red cross to delete that keybind. Repeat this process for every keybind until all the keybinds are deleted. After keybinds have been deleted, check if the Discord keeps freezing issue still occurs. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Discord keeps freezing issue. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.